What's up, Rock Nation? Buck Premo here with a ROQ US tech tip. Today we're going over maintenance on the ROQ peel. There's only a few things that we need to do for the ROQ peel to make sure that it is a fine-tuned piece of equipment. We want to make sure that we're doing those and staying on top of that. I would recommend checking this maybe on a weekly, bi-weekly basis. Check it out. All right, first thing you're gonna need is your grease gun that came with your ROQ Impress. I'm gonna go ahead and lubricate the peel carriage Zerk fitting. So it's kind of hard to see in the video just because it is around here, but hopefully we'll get a good shot. Always safety bar in. I'm gonna grab my peel carriage and move this all the way back because I need to gain access around this. Now I'll grab my grease gun. So dead center in the channel where my peel carriage is at, you're gonna see a Zerk fitting. Hopefully you can see my finger right there, but it's nice and tight. So what I wanna do is take my grease gun and I'm gonna hold the carriage in place with my other hand. Okay, once I've got it on the Zerk fitting, go ahead and pump it up 3 to 5 times. Once you're done pumping, you're just gonna go ahead and pull the grease gun nozzle off and wipe away any excess, and that is how you lubricate the peel slide carriage. Now we're gonna go to the scraper. So the part that actually comes and grabs our transfer sheet and peels it. It has a cylinder in the center and then 2 guide pins on the left and right hand side of that. If those start to kind of bind up, you're gonna end up having issues and probably some mispeels because it's not closing all at the same time. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to clean those and then re-grease them. So just taking a clean, dry cloth, and then I'm just gonna go over this pin. Just make sure that it's nice and clean, no lint, no buildup. There's one on the left-hand side and one on the right side. So once I've got that, I'll go ahead and take the same grease that I was using for everything else, and I'll put a little dab on it. It does not need to be a lot. Again, we're gonna be cleaning and doing this, I would say, every week, depending on how much lint is in your shop. And again, we do not need a lot on here. And then I'll hop over on this side. All right, so that was the maintenance on the ROQ peel. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, please reach out to us, roq.us, any of our social medias. Stay tuned for some more tips, tricks, maintenance videos, whatever you guys want, we're trying to produce. Make sure that you're very well educated to use our equipment. Thank you, peace out.